Insert the solid stainless steel pin into the pre-drilled hole and tap with a hammer until securely in place. Insert the brass spring pin into the pre-drilled hole and gently tap in with a piece of timber until securely in place. Do not hit the spring pin directly with a hammer. Hold the door upright and insert the solid stainless steel pin into the bottom recess. Press in the spring pin fully and slide into the top recess, allowing the pin to spring back into the pre-drilled hole. Close the door as normal and lock. To buy our spare parts, visit our website at meterboxesdirect.co.uk.